guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of what I bought during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Let's get into it. If you're new to my channel, my name is Haley. I'm the founder of Minimal Style Club, where we talk about how to build a capsule wardrobe with fewer minimal pieces that are higher quality. And we also talk about fashion history, shopping tips, and more things like that. So make sure to subscribe down below and click the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. So today I wanted to show you guys what I purchased during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and mostly purchased items that I knew were gonna be essential to my closet or closet staples. I think that Black Friday and Cyber Monday is a really good way to utilize like refreshing your closet with the basics that you need. For example, white t-shirts. I always check to see how many white t-shirts I have, how many of them are really worn, maybe have stains on them because I spill stuff on me all the time. I think taking that approach when shopping during these sales and like looking for things that are gonna be good basics, they're high quality, things that you can wear season over season, not buying things that are like frivolous, something that you know might be trending right now, but you don't know if you're gonna wear it in it like next year or even a few years from now. So I really tried to narrow down what I wanted to buy during the sale so that I wasn't just adding a bunch of random things to my cart. So let's get into the unboxing. So the first thing that I'm gonna unbox for you guys is this package from Net-a-Porter. I love them. They had a really awesome sale. I think they even still have their sale going on right now. I've been shopping through them probably more than I ever have in the past over like the last year, just because they have really, really good designers, but they also have like a mix of higher end designers and then like mid-tier designers, and I always feel like they carry good quality. They also add stuff to their site constantly, so I think that that's also really nice because you're always getting like a new rotation of things. All right, so I'm gonna try to lift this up. It came in a huge package. Came with, you know, the receipt or return label if you don't like it. And let's get rid of this box. They packaged it so well. I mean, it came in its own dust bag and on the hanger, which is super nice. And this jacket I'm super excited about because I feel like I don't have other like neutral shorter jackets. I have, you know, like coats, like a coat in the camel color. So like I was just looking for a blazer or like a more structured kind of cropped looking jacket that was like a lighter cream color. So I'm really excited about this one. Oh, this jacket is by Les 17 September. However you say that, sorry that if I butchered that. But this is more of a cropped jacket in this really beautiful cream wool color. And you can see that it does have buttons out here. So it's kind of like this funnel neck cut, but I probably won't really wear it buttoned up. I guess maybe if it's like super cold, it's like a nice option to have, but I'll probably mostly wear it out like this. It's a full button closure, so there's no zippers or anything. And it has the pockets on the side that are kind of like concealed, I don't know. But basically you can't really tell that they're pockets, but they're just kind of like slits in the jacket, which is really nice. And the back, I like that it has this detailing, makes it look a little bit more structured, the piping down the back. I think this is gonna be a really good closet staple, definitely be worn in, you know, fall, winter, but then even into the spring. I think it's really nice because it's also pretty light. This is a size 36. I think that they were out of stock of the smaller sizes, so I believe this translates to a size small. Don't quote me on that. So I'm not too sure how this one is gonna fit. Might have to return it if it's too oversized. I wanted it to be like slightly oversized, but not super oversized like I'm swimming in it, and these sleeves are pretty like wide, so I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so next thing that I'm unboxing is another jacket. I realized that I am unboxing like 3 jackets today, so don't know if that's boring, but that's what I got. I will do a part 2 because the rest of the stuff that I ordered has not been delivered yet, and I got some other really exciting things. So this one I actually purchased on Poshmark, so this is pre-owned. I've been looking for this blazer for months, and it's been out of stock. and so I was really excited to find it. I don't know how other people feel about buying clothes pre-owned. I think it's great, especially things that can be more expensive. I definitely buy bags and shoes pre-owned, but even clothes, I mean, if they're in good condition, they didn't come from like a house where someone was smoking or something, I usually tend to look to see like maybe they've only worn it once, or it could be brand new with tag. This blazer is from the Frankie shop, and I have been looking for, like I said, more lighter neutral colored jackets, and so this was my second purchase of like a lighter colored jacket, apparently, because I was on a roll. So the Frankie shop is known for their blazers being pretty oversized and just their items in general. So we're gonna have to see if this fits, because it looks pretty oversized, as you can tell. Like even the sleeves look pretty long. I don't know, but I love this color. I think it's so pretty. I'll zoom in here so you can see the material. I like blazers that aren't like having a more like satin or shiny finish. That just really bothers me. So I like that it's more almost like matte, and you can kind of tell that it's a little bit more woven. See if this fits, because I know their stuff usually runs really oversized. I do like having blazers, you know, over like shorts, like leather shorts or something, and it almost looks like a dress instead. I think that that looks really cute, but we'll have to see. So this is from COS, C-O-S, I don't know how you say it. This is actually the first time that I've bought something from them. I really like their stuff. It almost seems like it's more like women's workwear, but they have some really cool jackets right now, and the price point is pretty good, and especially during the sale that they had. Always fun. All right, so, I forgot I got two things. Sorry, this is probably like a really messy unboxing. We'll get better at it. All right, so it has the receipt. I got a white t-shirt. Wanted to see what the feel of it was, if it fit right, because once I find like a good white t-shirt, I will go back and buy like 5 of them. I would like to have like 7, one for each day, but you know, sometimes they're expensive. Like the one that I'm wearing is from A Goldie. It has been out of stock for so long. I believe it's on pre-order for like next year, and I just didn't want to wait for it to come back in stock, but I really like this one. It's held up very well. The material's super soft. So I don't know, maybe I'll just pre-order it again. But anyway, I wanted to try their white t-shirt just to see what it was like. I, you know, like the normal, like kind of crew neck shape, I guess. And this one is a size extra small. And let's see, I don't remember if this was 100% cotton. We'll see what it says. Okay, it's 100% cotton. So I always look for 100% cotton t-shirts just because trying to make more environmentally conscious choices when you're shopping, it's always great. And it's just gonna hold up better in the wash. Looks like it's gonna be a good basic, but I'm also pretty particular about like the length. Like it's nice to have ones that are a little bit more cropped, because then you can just do like an easy quick tuck into your pants or shorts or whatever you're wearing on the bottom. And sometimes if it's too long, it feels like you really have to like stuff it down there, and it's just makes it annoying. Next thing that I got from them, I desperately needed a new black blazer. I have been wearing the same old Zara black blazer for like years. For years, and it's just not good. It was like oversized, but not in a cute way. It was the weird like shiny satin almost like finish, and I just hate it. And I also am no longer shopping at Zara and fast fashion brands like that, so I'm trying to branch out, make more conscious choices in how I'm shopping, buying quality over quantity, etc., etc. I see a lot of people on Instagram posting like Zara hauls and all H&M hauls and stuff, and like it's nice because it's affordable and I totally get it, but it's also like not the best. So maybe I'll do another video. Anyway, I really needed a black blazer. I got this one from COS, still don't know how to pronounce that. Again, looks a little oversized. Have to try it on later and make sure that it fits right, but the main thing, and I was going back and forth on a ton of different blazers. I really want the Totem blazer. I think it's beautiful. Their stuff is so well constructed. but also $700. So I wanted to get something that's a little more affordable right now. And I believe this one, yeah, this one was $225, but they were having, I want to say, like a 40% off sale. It was pretty good. So the main thing that I was looking for in the blazer was whether it had, again, like this more woven matte material, not something that's gonna have that like satiny, shiny finish. So I went with this one. I also didn't want the lapels here to be like super pointy. I've seen that. I think like my Zara blazer had that, and I just wanted something like a little less dramatic. These do have like a little bit of a shoulder pad, but it's nothing, you know, too crazy. And the other thing that I really, really liked about this was that it's made out of recycled wool, which was really cool. So not only is it gonna like hold up pretty well, it's gonna be, you know, better for the environment. All right, so I am excited that I got to unbox all 3 of those jackets with you. Totally forgot they were gonna be all jackets today and then 1 t-shirt. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, I will be posting a part 2 of some other things that I ordered. I ordered something from Kate and I'm so excited. I've never ordered anything from that brand, so I'll be unboxing that in the next video. And if you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button down below, and I will see you guys next time.